guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much. I received a question. Someone asked how to create a zip folder. I'm going to do this demonstration. Basically, if you have like 2 or 3 assignments that you want to add in one place, so I'm going to do this demonstration using Microsoft Word. Okay, so go to Microsoft Word, open it up, select a blank document. Now I'm going to type stuff here, just hello. Now to save this document, okay, you go to File, select File. Now select Save As, select Browse, okay, and you can see the document here as hello. You need to also select Basic PDF. Before you save this document, you need to decide where you want to save this document. Okay, so I want to save this document, okay, in the download section, in the downloads, okay, and select Save. So now this document is saved in the download section. Now I want to save the second one, okay, as hello number 2. Click File to save it, click Save As, browse, and scroll to the downloads, okay, and also make sure you save it as PDF and select Save, okay, and close the Microsoft Word. Now the next thing to do, you need to go to your File Explorer, okay, and go to Downloads, and these are the 2 documents we saved. Now another thing I want us to do is to create a folder for these 2 documents. So go to New, okay, select Folder, okay, so you can type this folder as hello number 1 and 2, hello 1 and 2, and click Enter to save it. So you can see the file here. So we need to bring these 2 files, hello number 1, okay, and hello number 2. So you need to drag it, okay, and add it and move it. Select move here, and the file is here. You can see hello number 1 is no longer, so the one that is available now is hello number 2. So drag it, hello number 2, okay, and paste it, move it here. You can see hello number 1 and number 2 is no longer available. The one that is available now is hello number 1 and 2, the file, the folder we created for both of them, okay, and open it up. You will see the 2 folders, okay. Then you go back. Now to zip these 2 folders, you need to double click, you need to right click, okay, and scroll down and select compress to zip file. Select compress to zip file and select Enter. You can name it anything you like, or you can just leave the same information you have or how you save it earlier. Select Enter. So now this document is saved as a zip file, okay, so you can see it's saved as a zip file. Now if you want to extract this file, if you open it up now, you can see this is the documents here, and you can see the 2 documents here.